In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize labels in Confluence. Labels are small, powerful tags that make your pages easy to group, filter, and find. So getting them right saves tons of time later. Start by planning a simple label structure before you add anything. Pick clear prefixes that describe what the label means, like project, team, status, or doc. Then pair each prefix with a short, specific term. For example, project marketing, team design, status in progress, or doc guides. Keep labels lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and decide on singular or plural once and stick to it. Jot this mini standard down and share it with your team so everyone uses the same playbook. Aim for just enough labels to be meaningful without creating overlap. If two labels cover the same idea, choose the clearest one and retire the other. Clear scopes help too. Use project for initiatives, team for ownership, status for progress, and doc for content type. Next, add labels to a page. Open the page in Confluence, click the three dots in the top right corner, choose Add Labels, type your label, and press Enter. You can add several labels to the same page to cover different dimensions, like a project, a team, and a status. If a label doesn't exist yet, creating it here adds it to your space the moment you press Enter. By the way, if you need the software, there's a link to the Confluence website at the top of the description. Grab it there so you can follow along. Now, keep naming consistent. Avoid random variations such as marketing versus market or in progress versus in progress. Consistency is what makes search and filters work. Lowercase plus hyphens is a safe, readable default, and sticking to your planned prefixes prevents label sprawl. Use labels to quickly group related content. At the bottom of any labeled page, click a label to open a list of every page that shares it. You can also search right from the bar using label at your label, which is great when you're combining a label with a keyword to narrow results. This is especially helpful for onboarding, quarterly reviews, and building lightweight reports based on consistent tags. Finally, review and clean up labels on a regular schedule. Scan for duplicates, misspellings, and labels no one uses. Merge similar ones into a single standard version, and update older pages to match your naming system. A quick monthly sweep keeps your workspace tidy and ensures new content is easy to find. And that's how you organize labels in Confluence the easy way. A clean labeling system makes your workspace much more searchable and structured. Thanks for watching.